Dito ka. I think ate, ano, he lost all of his energy. Start with 1. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
2,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
3,
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
how about 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32, 36, 40. Ay,
Walang kaisa.
ay,
28,
ay, 28, 36,
32, 36, 40. Isa pa, from the top na lang.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
How about 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 42, wait, 54,
48,
48, 48, 56,
4,
54, 60.
isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
How about 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 56, 63, 7,
How about 8?
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 63, 72,
Ay, wait lang. Sa 8 na, di ba? 64, tama? 64?
72, 8,
How about 9?
9, 18, 27, 27, 36, 45, 54, 60, 63, 72, 81, 90,
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, 100. So before tayo proceed with our new lesson, ate, I will just review a little bit lang ha sa previous natin na lesson. So for this one, we have 6 all over 7 plus 8 all over 6 all over 7 plus 3 all over 7. Next, 8 all over 9 minus 2 all over 9. Next, 6 all over 8 times 2 all over 8. Then, 3 all over 5 divided by 2 all over 3. Sige daw ate, this one. First na, saan yung first na titingnan? Denominator, if they are the same. Are they the same ate? Yes. So what are you going to do since they are the same? You copy. O you add it, go.
7, 8, 9.
Oh, 9. 9 all over 7. Is that our answer? Hindi. No, why? Because it's improper. You have to make it into a mix. Okay, go. Make it into mix ate.
9 inside.
Very good. 7. What's next?
7 divided by
Baliktad.
9 divided by 7. 7, 40, 21,
Ate, multiply. Divide.
okay. 7, 40, divided because
It's lampas ha? 9. Okay, go. 1. 1 times 7.
1 times 7 is 7.
We put 7.
7 minus 9.
9 minus.
9 minus 7
It's
is 2.
2. Very good. Put 2.
I put the 2 understand.
Okay, next. What's next? You have to make it into a
Mixed
mixed number. Make it into a mixed number daw.
The big number and the 2 in
Correct. Next. Proceed with next. Dito na. Dito na, balik na. Okay. Ang match.
9, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yun ba? Ay, yun pala.
8 minus 6.
8 minus 6
Ay, 8 minus 2.
is
6. Oh, 6 all over 9. Is that our final answer? Is it?
No,
No, why?
because it can be
Reduced. Very good. 6 all over 9 can be reduced by? Not 2. 3.
3, 6 is 3, 6 minus 3.
Next. If it is multiplication,
I'm gonna stop.
multiplying. Oh, you're gonna skip count. Go.
6, 12, 6, 12,
Very good.
8, 16, 20, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 63.
64?
64.
Oh.
It's 64.
64. What do you think of 12 and 60 at 64? Can we reduce it in there? Sure?
Yeah.
By?
Maybe 9?
Not 9. If you try to skip count with 9, what will happen to 12?
Ah,
9, 18. So you cannot target 12. You have to look the end digit of the numbers. What's the end digit of 12?
ah,
2. What's the end digit of 64? 4.
I was kapag
Oh, skip count by 2. You can do the skip count for 12. 64 is big ate, so you will not do skip count. So sige daw ate, 12 divided by 2, how much?
so divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 8, 6.
Next, for the 64 ate, you have to divide it by 2. How to do it?
You will do it.
You will do it like this one. You will do that one.
64 inside.
Correct.
64 inside. And then 2 outside.
Okay.
2, 6 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6. That's 3.
Next.
3 times 2 is 2, 4, 6. Then 6 minus 6 is 0.
Correct.
And then I bring down 4.
Correct. 3.
What's up? I'm gonna do na the mixed number. Ay,
Di ba you just bring down a number? Ibig sabihin, if you just bring down a number ate, you cannot do a mix ha. You have to repeat the process.
Ay, 2, ay, 6,
4.
ay, 4 divided by 2. 2, 4. It's 2. I put the 2 under 4.
Ha?
Ay,
You put that to where?
ay, under 6.
At the top.
Ay,
Nakalimutan. Next.
2 times 2.
2 times 2 how much?
2. 2, 4. I put the 4 under 6.
Hmm.
And then, ay. And then I'll do the,
No ate, di ba? 2 times 2, that's 4. You cannot put 4 there.
ay.
You have to put it here. O go.
So, 4 minus 4 is 0.
Hmm.
The final answer is 32.
Oh, 32 where?
Here.
O go.
32.
Oh, 6 and 32. Kung nilulusin hindi.
Yeah.
By?
6.
Na. Try to skip count with 6 if matamaan mo sa 32. Try to skip count.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
Oh, hindi mo natamaan. So it's not 6. Think of a number.
3,
Try to skip count.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20,
1.
ay, 21, 24, 24, 27, 30, 33, 30 plus 3. Ay, 30 plus 3 is 31, 32, 33.
Oh, 33. Di ba hindi natamaan sa 32? You cannot do 3. Next. Think of another number.
2.
2. Correct ate, that's 2. O 6 divided by 2, how much?
2, 4, 6,
3. 32 divided by 2.
2, 4.
Matagal yun siya ate. It will take you too long. You will do this one. If it is a big number, ganyan, you do this one kaagad. 32 divided by 2.
2 divided by
Baliktad.
3 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6.
Ha?
I do 4, I do that. It's 1. I put the 1 on top. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Put the 2 under 3. 3 minus 2 is
You do again? Did you do it again ate? Okay, next.
1. Then 1, I then repeat the process. Then
You bring down, di ba pa?
and
Kalimutan.
down 2.
Next.
And then 1,
Baliktad. Mali. 12.
12 divided by 2
How much?
is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is 6.
Where do you put 6?
Under 1.
Ha?
Ay!
Next.
6 times 2 is 2, 4, 6 is 3. I put that
6 times 2, 3?
Ay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I put the 12 under.
12 minus 12.
Is
A 0. So what's the final answer?
16.
16. Where do you put 16? Okay, very good. Oh, that's the answer ha. Next ate, proceed ka with this one. Division na.
3 times 3 is
3 times 3,
3.
3.
Ay, 3, 6, 9 is 9.
Where do you put 9?
Here.
At the top. Very good. Next.
5 times 2, 5, 10 is 10.
10. Okay. 9 all over 10. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
Sure?
I know.
No. So that's the final answer. Okay ha? So for today ate, we will be having a new lesson. It's all about addition and subtraction. Never mind muna ito ha. Di ba, what did you observe ate when I gave you ate isa addition and subtraction? Di ba always the same ang denominator, right?
Yeah.
So what if ate, there comes a time na we cannot do it anymore just like that. For example, 1 all over 2 plus 2 all over 3. Excuse me. You cannot do 1 plus 2 ate ha? Because the denominator is not the same just like this one. Ha? Ibig sabihin ate, 7 and 7 is not the same, 9 and 9 is not the same. Ay, wait lang. 7 and 7, they are the same. 9 and 9, they are the same. 2 and 3, they are the same or not? Not. So since they are not the same ate, what did the teacher said to you about fraction? The first thing that you have to check is the denominator, if they are the same. If you check ate that they are not the same, you have to solve it ate in the new process. So what's the first step? 2 times 3. 2 times 3.
3, 6.
So you put 6. So the first step ate, if the denominator are not the same, what's the first step? You have to multiply. 2 times 3. Ibig sabihin ate, you are going to multiply the denominator. Next ate, 3 times 1. This one ate, step 1 dito. After dito, you do this one, upward ka ate. 3 times 1. 3. You put in here 3. You copy the sign. Plus. Next. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Oh, that's 4. You put in here 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 7. Okay. 7 all over 6. Is this our final answer? Hindi.
No.
Bye.
It's
Improper. So you put 7. You put 6 in here. 7 divided by 6.
6, 12, 18.
Divide. Not multiply.
Ay, 6, 12.
1. 1 times 6.
1 times 6, 6.
7 minus 6.
7 minus 6.
Hmm. Oh, make it into a mixed number. The number on top is the big number. The number at the bottom is the number on top. The number at the side is the number at the bottom. So the answer is 1 all over 6. Gets ate? Okay, try natin ha. First ate, anong i-check? The denominator. Are they the same ate? Hindi. So since they are not the same, what's the first step? 4. 4 times 4 times 2. 4 times 2.
4.
Oh, that's 8. After you finish with this one ate, where are you going next? You go here. Okay ha? You go there. 2 times 3.
3, 6.
You put 6. Next, after going here, ate, saan ang next? You go there. Okay ha? Tatawagin natin ito ating cross multiplication ha? How do you call this one? Cross multiplication. 4 times 1. 4. Plus 4. 6 plus 4 ate.
6 plus 4. 4, 2,
Di ba 6? Sige go. Look in here. Di ba 6? You open 4.
4,
How much? 10. 10 all over 8. Is this our right answer? Hindi.
No, because it's a number.
10. 8. 10 divided by 8.
8, 16. Ay, skip up, like,
May 8.
8, 16 na.
How much?
Is
1. 1 times 8. Where do you put 8? Under 1 or under 0? Under 1? Sure?
Ay, under 0.
Under 0. Okay. 10 minus 8 ate. 0 minus 8. Pwede hindi. No. So si 0 will borrow to 1. 1 will become? 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, that's 2. Very good. So to finalize our answer, the number on top is a big number. The number at the bottom is the number on top. The number at the side is the number at the bottom. Is this our final answer? Hindi.
No.
Why?
Because that can be reduced.
Reduce. 2 and 8 ate. What number can we use to reduce 2 and 8? 2. 2 divided by 2.
2 is 1.
1. 8 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Oh, so final answer 1 and 1 fourth. Get ate? Kaya try natin ikaw lang ate. Ito.
7, 14, 21. Ay, 7 times 3 is 7, 14, 21. Is 21. 3 times 5 is 5, 10, 15. Is 15. I'm gonna put the 15 here. Then 7.
You copy the plus muna.
And then 7 times 2 is 7, 14. Is 14.
Next.
And then 15 plus 14 is.
You do the solution. Para hindi kami hirapan. Put 15. 14. Add.
6, 7, 8, and 9. 9.
Ha? 1 plus 1? 1?
Ay, 1 plus 1.
Oh, 2. Hmm. All over. 20 all over 21. Is it our final answer there?
No, because it's same cover.
Make it into a mixed number. You do the trial and error there, ha?
Okay. 29. Maybe 5.
Try. Kung sino yung itas mo? Si 21.
5. Ay, the 5 is in the bottom.
Yeah.
21,
Hindi, sa ilalim ng 1. Okay.
5.
Go.
1 times 5 is 5. 5 is 5. And then I bring down 5 times 2 is 5, 10 is 10.
Hmm. Is 5? No. Next. So your only choice na lang is 0 to
8. Ay, 0 to 4.
0 to 4.
0 to 4 is
Try. Think of a number.
maybe 2.
Try 2.
21. 2 times 1, 2 is 2. 2 times 2, 2. It's not.
Why?
Because
It's 42. So tama. Next. What's next?
maybe 1.
1. Yun na, so over 1 na. It's easy lang yung 1. You put 1 at the top. Next, 1 times 21.
1 times 21.
It's, di ba I explained it to you already? Ha?
Ay, no pala.
1 times 21? Any number multiplied to 1, the answer is that number.
Ah.
Di ba 500 times 1 is equals to 500? Oh, so 1 times 21? 21. Put 21, where?
Under 21.
Correct. Okay, 29 minus 21.
29 minus 1 is 29 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then is 8. I'll put the 8 under 2.
Okay, go, put.
Next is 8 times 21.
Ano, bakit 8 times 21? Di ba yung make it mixed number na?
Ay,
Kalimutan? Mixed na. Okay, wait ate. How can you know, ate, if you are going to make it a mix if there is no bring down? Di ba you did bring down na? Oh, since there is no bring down, you make it into a mixed number. Oh, make it a mixed number.
a big 1. And then 8 then 21.
Okay. So what's the final answer?
Where's that? This one.
Hmm.
The final answer is
1,
a big 1. And then
8,
and then
21. Can we reduce 8 and 21? Hindi. By what number? Sure, tayo speak out now.
36.
Oh, natamaan si 8? Wala. Oh, ibig sabihin, that's the final answer na ate, 8 and 21. Okay, how about minus? We are going to try minus ate ha?
Is it the same? Times.
Same process.
5 times 4.
Okay, how much?
5 times 15, 20, 25.
Ah, lampas-lampas ka na.
5. I'll do like that. 5, then I'll do like this.
Times, ate times.
5, then I'll do
5
like
times 4.
5 times 15, 20.
Oh, it's 20. Kanina kasi you say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next.
20.
Next.
4 times 3.
4 times 3.
4, 8, 12.
Put 12. Then copy the sign ha. What's the sign?
Plus.
Ha? What's the sign?
Minus.
Minus, oh.
Okay.
Minus, next.
Then 5 times 2 is 5.
10. 12 minus 10.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
2. Okay. 2. Sige, sulat equals na.
Equals 2, then 20.
2 and 20. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what? Very good.
2, 4. Like 2. Here.
Equals 1. At the bottom,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 14, 18,
14.
14, 16, 18, 20 is that.
Correct. Next. Hala na, tapos na pala. Okay, the final answer is 1 all over 10. Okay, did you understand it, ate? Okay, ha? So, sa multiplication, ate, there's no problem, ha? If it is multiplication, you go straight ahead. Kapag division, ate, from in here, you will proceed with in here, and you go upward. This one, you go in here, and you go downward. So, this one, ate, we will have a division, ha? Combination of this one and division. This is your final task, ate. Okay, sige, ha? Okay, ready? Let's do it na, go.
Will I do like the, ano, that one?
Don't show it na. If you already know the process, you can have it in your mind. Di ba that's division? Oh, what's the first step, Gani?
Like that.
Okay, very good. Oh, equals na, lagay ka ng equals.
8 times 8, 16.
Already put 16. On top, next.
9 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. I put the 9.
16 and 9, is that our final answer?
No, because I
No.
16 inside the 9. 1 times 9 is 1.
16 divided by 9. 16 divided by 9, how much?
16 divided by 9.
How much?
9, 18, 37.
We divide.
9, 18. Is, I'll do like that because it's higher than 6. It's 1.
Put 1 there. Okay, next.
1 times 9 is 9.
Already put 9. Over 1, over 6.
Over 6.
Correct.
9
Minus.
6 minus 9.
6 minus 9, pwede hindi. Cannot be.
6 will borrow to 1, then 1 will become 0, then 6 will become 16.
16 minus 9.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Wait lang. I have another technique, ate. Di ba this is 16 minus 9? What if you will do the reverse? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's the same lang. 7. Oh, ulit ha. 16 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's the same, di ba? 7. So yung kasi ate, you do 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, it will take you too long. 16 minus 9.
7.
Ulit, 16 minus 9, yung process teacher Charles.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, how much? Oh, the same lang, di ba? Oh, put 7.
Then,
Oh, you have any number pa na giving down? Wala. There's no number na. So, make it into a mix. Make it into mixed number. Do you understand, teacher Charles?
Yes.
Okay.
And then 7 down. Okay. I'll put the answer here.
Oh, go. Good answer.
Big 1, and then 7, then 9. Next. Big 2.
Next.
3 times 4 is 4, 8, 12. Stop. Then 4,
Ah.
7 times 2 is 7, 14. Is 14.
Next.
Then, what's the final answer?
12 over 14. Is that final answer?
I know, it can be reduced.
By?
2
Very good.
equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 is 7. Next. It cannot be reduced. 7 times 9.
7 times 9.
9, 18. I'll click on by 9.
Correct.
9, 18, 37, 36, 40, 36, 45, 54, 54, 63. 63. I put the 63. 63.
Next.
9 times 5. 9, 18, 37, 36, 42. 45. I put the 45. 45
Next.
plus 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 7, 40, and 21. It's 21.
45 plus 21. Show your solution.
45 plus 21 is 6, then 6.
Very good.
66. 66 and 63.
Is that an answer?
No, because it's in bracket.
Okay, go. Next.
66, then 63.
Channel 3. Outside.
I think it's 1.
1. Okay, very good.
1 times 63 is 63. I'll
Next.
put the 63 here. 66 minus 63. 66 minus 63, 1, 2, 3.
How much? 6 minus 6.
0, 3. I'll put the 3
Where?
under the here.
Put a line first. Yan. I'll put 3. Ah.
6 minus 6 is 0.
Okay. So what's the final answer? Make it into a mixed number.
Big 1, 3 in the top, then 63 in the bottom. Big 1.
Wait lang. 3 and 63. Is that the final answer? 3 and 63? We can reduce it by 3. I-reduce mo muna sa 63 ate. 63 divided by 3. Dito.
63
Divided by 3.
I'm gonna do like this mixed number.
No ate.
Ay.
Sige. Just like this one. Just like the mix. 63 divided by 3.
63 divided by 6 divided by 3 is 3, 6
How much?
is 2.
Hmm.
I'll put the 2 on top of 6.
Correct.
And then 2 times 6 is 3, 6 is 6.
Mhm.
I'll put the 6 under 6.
Okay.
6 minus 6 is 0. And then I'll bring down 3.
Okay.
Then I'll do the mixed number.
Wait lang.
Ay,
No, di ba you just bring down this one? If you just bring down ate, you cannot do the mixed number. Di ba? You have to ask again, 3 divided by 3.
3 divided by 3, 3, 6, 9.
Wait, divide.
Ay, 3, 6. I'll do that.
3 divided by 3, how much?
It's 1.
Ulit, 3 divided by 3, it's 1.
Yeah.
Kasi 3.
Yeah.
Oh, 1. Put 1.
I'll put the 1 beside 2.
Correct.
And then 1 times 3 is 2.
Oh, where do you put 3?
Under 3.
Correct.
3 minus 3 is 0. The final answer is 31.
21, very good.
Guys,
So, you change it, ate. 3 divided by 3.
is 3 divided by 3 is 3. That's 1.
Oh, that's the final answer. You put it there.
1, 1, 1.
Okay, next. 8 all over 9 plus 6 all over 7.
9 times 7 is 9, 18, 27, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63 is 63. 63. And then 7 times 8 is 8, 16, 37, 36, 40, 48, 56 is 56. I'll put the 56. 9 times 6 is 9, 18, 27, 36. 9, 18, 27, 36, 42, 40,
Huh?
45, 54,
54.
54.
Next.
56 minus 54. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4.
Bakit nag-minus ka lagi?
Ay, gas.
Ay, laki din sa ano.
6 plus 4 is 6 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10 is 10. I'll bring up 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 10.
What?
It's 100.
Oh, 110.
63 and 100.
Oh, 110 and 63.
So that final answer because it's simple.
Correct. Next.
I will make the next number.
Okay.
110 is high and 63 also. Maybe
Hindi, wait lang. Wala pa kayo na-ask.
Ay,
Di ba this one? Di ba this is 2-digit number? So you will first ask sino? 11.
11.
Kung how many dito ata sa labas, doon din yung i-ask mo. 1, 2. Sino ang i-ask mo? 1, 2, si 11 muna. 11 divided by 63. Pwede hindi? No, because 63 is greater than 11. So 0 now will join to 11. It will become 110. 110 divided by 63. How much? Try and error. Ay, parang ka na.
Maybe 2.
Try.
Because very big.
Very good. Try.
2.
63.
3, then 2.
Hmm.
3 times 2 is 2, 4, 6. Ay,
Diba 3 times 2? 3 times 2? So you skip count with 3 para mabilis.
Ay, 3, 6,
Mm.
6.
Next.
Then 2 times 6 is 6 12 is 2.
Oh, is to our answer there? No, it's 1. Put 1. Next. 1 times 63.
Yes, 63.
Where do you put? Oops, you cannot put 6 under 1 na first. You have to put 6 where? Where do you put 6? Under 1 na in here or under 1 na in here?
Here.
Here na 1? Sure?
63.
Oh, this one na. Oh, what will happen if you put 63 in here, ate? Minus. 0 minus wala. So 0. 1 minus 3. Cannot be. Magbaraw ito 0. Magiging 11. 11 minus 3.
Then 9.
8. Oh, 0 minus 6. Oh, kanino mabaro si 0? Hindi siya pwede makabaro because lampas. Dapat you put 63. This one. 0 minus 3. It will become 10. It will become 0. 10 minus 3.
10 minus 3, 9, 8.
Next. 0 minus 6. It will borrow 0. 10. 10 minus 6. 4. Oh. So you cannot put, saan natin? You cannot put 63 on the first, ha? Oh. You understand it? Okay, go.
63 and then 63 times 63.
Yung minus 8. Minus.
Ay.
110 minus 63.
Yes. I'll borrow 3, then it will become 0, then this one will become 10.
Oh. 10 minus 3.
7.
Correct. Next.
0, and repeat, so it will become 0, so it will become 10.
10 minus 6.
I put that 10.
10 minus 6.
10 minus 6 is 10 minus 6 is 4. 4.
Oh, 47. You have bring down pa wala na. Oh, so what's the final answer?
8, then 47, and then 60.
Very good. No, proceed to take this one.
Okay. 8 times 3
Mm.
is 8 times 3 is 8, 16. 8, 16, 24 is 24. 24, and then 3 times 7 is 7, 14, 21 is 21. 21, then plus 5. 8 times 2 is 8, 16 is 16. 16, 21, then 16 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is 15. Is 15, then...
Wait lang.
Ay,
Di ba nag-minus ka?
this one.
Huwag mo yung plus lagi dito.
Ay.
Oh, you change it into minus. Wait lang. 21 minus 16. 1 minus 6, 5. 1 minus 6.
1 cannot
Cannot be. It will become?
be 1.
It will become? 11.
11.
Oh, 11 minus 6. 5. Okay ha? 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1 is 0.
0. Oh. It's 5. Bakit mayroon yung 1? 5 all over?
2.
Anong 2?
I got
O, kanwari ko sa hindi.
yeah.
By what number?
3.
Try to skip count daw kung matamaan mo si 5.
Ay.
3? Oh, wala tamaan si 5. It's not 3. That's the final answer. You cannot reduce it. Last.
9 times 5. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
9 times 5? 54?
Ay, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45.
Next.
5 times 8 is 8, 16, 27.
Huh?
Ay, 8, 16, 8, 16, 20.
4.
Ay, 8, 16, 24, 36.
6.
Ay, okay. What's
You are thinking of 9, ate. 8 times 5? It's 8.
8, ay, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 40.
Next.
40 minus 9 times 2.
9 times 2.
9, 18. 40 minus 18.
40 minus 18.
Cannot be 7.
Very good. Correct.
10 minus 8 is
Correct.
3
3 minus 1.
is 1.
You do this one or 3? Ah. Ha? 3 minus 1?
Ay, 3 minus 1 is 2.
2. Oh, wait, 1. Oh, 22.
22.
Oh, next.
22
All over 45. Can we reduce it in there?
no.
Sure?
No.
Yes, ate. Ah, we cannot reduce it. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, for tomorrow, ay, wala nang pala tomorrow, no? Kasi it's Saturday, ate. Okay, bale, we will have a new lesson na naman, ate, ha, on Monday. On Monday, ate, is this one, ha, oh. Bale, I will teach you multiplying or adding a mixed number with a fraction. So for this one, ate, if you're given po, di ba you know how to make a mixed number na? Where do you put it, gani? Di ba you already know how to make a mixed number? Where's your solution, gani? Just like this one. Di ba this is a mixed number, ate? Okay, what if your teacher will give you this one? So for example, what if your teacher will give you 1, tapos 2 all over 3. Okay ha? What if your teacher will give you this one? Tapos, you add it daw with 2/3. O, can you do it? Oh, ibig sabihin, you cannot directly process it, ate ha? But instead, what are you going to do po? You have to make this one as improper. So from mixed number, you have to turn it into a improper. Okay ha? So I will teach you the technique, ate. Okay, for example, we have 2 in here, we have 3 all over 4. The first step, in order for you to make this mixed number into, when we say improper fraction, what does it mean, gani?
It's higher in the up and lower in the down.
Very good. You have to make this one into improper. Ate, how to do that one? First, you have to do this one. 4 times 2, 4 times 2.
4, 8.
O, diba? That's 8. After multiplying, ate, you have to add. You have to add the numerator. 8 plus 3.
7.
Plus, not minus.
Ay, 9, 10, 11.
O, ibig sabihin, 11. You copy the denominator. 4. So, this is the improper, or this is the answer, ha? Okay, next. Okay, how to do it again? Multiply. After multiply, you
You have
add. 5 times 3.
5, 10,
O, 15, diba? Plus 4.
16, 17, 18, 19.
19. What's at the bottom? It's 5. Okay, ha? Isa pa. All of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it into an improper.
5 times 7, I 2 times 7 is 7, 40 is 40.
Do not write 14 na. Put it in your mind na lang.
14, 14 plus 1 is 15.
Oh. 15. 2. Next.
6 times 8
Sit down na by 8. Very good.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48,
Very good.
56. It's 56. 56 plus 5.
Ah, wait lang. 48. 8 times 7 na 56. Di ba 8 times 6 ka? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Bakit ka 56?
Ay,
48. 48 plus 5.
48 plus 5 is 48, 59,
59. 49.
ay 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53.
Very good.
And then
53 all over. Next.
5 times 9. 9, 18, 27, 30, 37, 36, 45. 45 plus 3. 46, 47, 49, 48. Ay,
Again. 9 times 5.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 45 plus 3 is 45, 46, 47, 48.
48, hindi 49. 48 all over.
8 all over 5.
Next.
3 times 2.
Ano 3 times 2?
Ay, 3 times 7. 7, 14, 21. 21 plus 2. 22, 23 is 23 all over 3.
Okay, that's how we do it, ha? This is reserved for our class on Monday. Ate, can you please try to teach your brother? Because I don't understand, ate. Ha? So, bali, if you have a vacant time with your brother, ate, you have to teach him, ha? Okay? This one, oh, I will let you bring the paper, ate. Wait lang, where is it? This one, oh, I will let you bring this one. You let him answer this one, 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 this one. You discuss it with him, ha? Can you do it? You will be his teacher. Huh? So, bali, we have in here plus, we have minus, we have times, we have division, addition, 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 subtraction, division, division, addition, addition, subtraction, subtraction. If you have a free time, you have to say to Prince na, oh, how do you call him? Prince, we have to study. Okay, ha? You teach him, ha? Just like this one, ha? You are not going to show this one because this is your answer. You have to get a new paper. After you get a new paper at it, you have to write this one. You have to do this one, oh. 8 all over 9 divided by 1 all over 2. You tagot this one because this is your answer key. Ha? Tapos, you discuss it to him how to do the process, ha? Okay, I will let you bring this one. Tapos you practice with Prince, ha? You bring this one also. Ate, what is your learning for today in that lesson?
This one and
The making of making mixed number into improper. Okay, so that is your ano, ate, ha? That would be your assignment, ate. Ate, you should teach your kuya, ha, because he doesn't understand. Ate, he understand, ate, pero he gets easily tired. He keeps saying to me, teacher,
because yesterday they sleep early. I already sleep early.
you sleep early? Your brother didn't sleep early? What time sana tulog ni mami mo?
I don't know because they're watching
Movie? Ikaw, you're not fan of watching movie? What movie pala are they watching?
it's like a Korean.
A Korean movie? Oh, so ibig sabihin, your kuya is watching that Korean movie, ate?
Yeah, with mommy.
With mami, what time na sila tulog film mo? Alas 2?
I think Mama
12? Oh, okay.
Sometimes if I also watch a movie, we will always
Finish what time?
12.
12.